By Georgia Congressman Doug Collins, Vice Chairman of the House Republican Conference. Sir, how confident are you that Senate and House Republicans can get together and unite behind this Senate bill?
I think we're going to unite behind the fact that the Senate has done its process. This is something we talked about. We went through a long process over here. They're working their process now, and then they'll bring it over. We're looking forward to them passing it next week. Then we come together and see if we need to make changes to pass both houses, or we can pass it as is. I think that's still to be determined, but we're excited that we're keeping the promise we made to the American people that we're fixing a failed Obamacare system. I mean, 106% increase since 2013 in my home Georgia, and having insurance that is really unusable in many of my rural counties. This has got to be fixed. This is a moral imperative, and I think the Speaker's right. We're proud of the Senate for getting it to this point. Now they need to bring it home, and then we'll work to finish this out and get it to the President.
One of the criticisms of Obamacare is that it stifled the growth of small businesses. Can you tell small business owners out there that relief might be on the way?
I think so. I mean, when you look at this fact, when small business owners are wanting to provide some insurance or provide help for their employees, and maybe not in a group plan, we have an individual market that has absolutely been destroyed. I just spoke to a small business just the other day that has 4 employees. They want to pay for their health care. They had to send them out in the individual market. They went out and found only 2 choices, and almost with $7,000 deductibles and not a lot of access to some of their even own doctors, they're still paying over $64,000 a year in premium costs. This is unaffordable for small business. This is the reason why the President, we've been supportive of rolling back regulations, doing the things we need to do, and the health care piece is a huge part of that.
You're a big supporter of Karen Handel, who won that special election in your home state of Georgia. What do you say to Democrats who are now 0 for 4?
Well, I think the biggest thing is that the President still has a message that very much resonates in Republican districts. Republicans are sticking to the fact that we are on the side of the American people of rolling back government, rolling back regulations, making sure that jobs and the economy is important, and doing what we kept as a promise. And I think that's what and also, very frankly, from this district, it was a very clear choice for a Republican district. You had a liberal Democrat who was outside the district to a proven conservative inside the district. All politics are local. I think that's been a cliche thrown around for years, but it was really true in Georgia 6 this week.
Congressman Doug Collins, Republican of Georgia, thanks very much.
It's good to see you. Take care.